Welcome to episode this Learn Additives and Troubleshooting. Today I'm showing how to turn your PC into a MikroTik RouterOS setup tutorial. In this video, I will show you first to last. First off, go into your browser, type mikrotik.com/download. First, download WinBox 64-bit. Now we can download RouterOS version 7. Two type version, stable or beta version. Here we see stable or testing or beta version. Different downloading here. Now we can download x86 CD image stable version. You can see the download is starting. In this time, please subscribe our YouTube channel, or you can see also facebook.com. Follow us, like, comment, share, and subscribe for inspiring me to make a more tutorial for you. Our MikroTik was almost download 40 seconds. Yeah, download is complete. Now we're going to save to download files for different location. Pause the easy to access this folder. Suppose name MikroTik. Okay. Now I paste and connector WinBox. Now we can go Hyper-V Manager. This time click new virtual machine and begin. If you begin with this, the next name, first name, whatever you want. This time I type MikroTik and store location, VM folder, and different folder, MikroTik, then select folder, and next. This time generation 1 and generation 2, I choose generation 1 because this was BIOS based operating firmware doesn't matter. I choose RAM 1 GB, then click. This time I need 8 to 10 GB for the storage. Select 10 GB. The next, we attached downloaded image file. The location desktop MikroTik. Select version 7 OS MikroTik. The next, then my PC is ready. Then finish. Here. Now we can connect. This simple way to set up. Then start. This time you just click to install, just press I. Then continue yes. Your OS install is starting. It's less than 1 minute to install your RouterOS. Is simple and easy way When I will show you, just press enter and reboot. Your OS install is complete. Now we can disconnect our DVD OS, then apply OK. Now we open. This time we need to network, so I create a switch, external and internal. External switch means go to the internet. The internal switch means LAN. If you don't know, please check my others video. We create external, going virtual switch manager, add data switch, then internal switch. This time we can name it in switch, when that means internal network switch. Then okay, we connect our MikroTik PC in external switch network. Others add other adapter for internal network purpose. Choose then apply. OK. Now open, connect to the MikroTik router. Yeah, my system is started. Then login page, MikroTik login is admin. Your default password is null. Do you use the same your software license? No. My MikroTik router is perfectly ready. Now we can change our password, whatever you want. This time I choose a small password for testing purpose. Then okay, my MikroTik router is ready. Admin, MikroTik admin login. Now we can try to connect my host PC. This time interface MAC address 1 LAN 2 MAC address will show. Now we can click WinBox to access my MikroTik router. This time you can see two switches and two MAC address showing. Now username password. Yeah, my MikroTik router PC is accessible with WinBox. In this simple way, you can create your MikroTik router with PC. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe us for more tips. Please watch full video.